Marketing content can be exhausting. Maintaining a consistent brand voice is difficult, hiring writers is expensive, and the demand for content never stops growing. This leaves many marketing teams stretched thin. Meet Jasper AI, built specifically for marketing teams to speak your brand's language perfectly. It offers 50+ marketing templates for various content types, ensures brand voice consistency, includes built-in SEO with Surfer SEO integration, and is team-ready for collaboration. Key features include over 50 ready-made content templates and brand voice consistency that keeps every piece on brand. Jasper also provides SEO optimization through native Surfer SEO integration for high-ranking content and multi-language support for generating content in 25+ languages. Jasper benefits any business needing consistent, high-volume marketing content. Marketing teams can scale production 10x faster. Agencies can manage multiple brand voices easily. Entrepreneurs can handle professional marketing solo. And e-commerce stores can create product descriptions at scale. Transform your marketing today. Your brand's AI copywriter is ready. Visit jasper.ai to start your free trial, input your brand voice and style guidelines, choose a template, and generate content in seconds. Scale your marketing without scaling your team. Thank you for watching this video from The Business Researcher. Subscribe for more strategy grounded in evidence.